You once read somewhere or some specialist told you that would be a good idea to show the behind the scenes of your business on Instagram. And you probably think, how would I do that? Don't I have enough to do? And why would this even sell? Yeah, I have two news for you. The bad one is, you have to do that. And the good one is that it's not as difficult as you think, and you don't even have to show your personal life. I know, for some people it's a challenge. When you say behind the scenes, they immediately connect to, why do I have to show my house and my bathroom and the things that are not really related to the product I sell? Hi everyone, my name is Brunna. I'm a content creator at B2Ns Media. I do this for a living, and some of my clients sometimes get a little bit challenged about what they could post on social media. So on this channel, I am helping my clients, or probably people out there who are actually needing some inspiration to deal with Instagram and social media for your business. And today I want to share you 5 ideas that you could show the behind the scenes of your business without actually promoting your personal life. So if you like this kind of content, consider to subscribe. For me, it's a challenge to be recording this in a second language, but yes, I know I can help some people with this. So if I'm helping you somehow, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because yes, I am gonna keep posting tips about this on this channel. So I really hope I can help you somehow. The first idea that could be interesting on the behind the scenes of your business would be showing your team. But as a small business owner, who could be your team? You can get very creative. If you actually have colleagues or someone helping you out, these people are your team. Maybe your dog is there while you're doing something, or the postman who brings the material you use. That's behind the scene of showing your team. Even your tools could be called your team. You just need to be creative. Reels are also a great way to play with that. Make up your team or yourself in many angles, doing everything else. Yourself can also be the team, why not? So that's the first idea. I would give it to you. It could be fun, it could be entertaining, and your client will know even more about what you do. Another thing that is very cool to show is the new arrivals of your business. What do you have new to offer? If you offer services, what is the new thing that you're bringing to your customers? If you sell products, what's new to find on your store or at your website? People love seeing launching, but on a behind the scenes format, it can become very interesting when these products arrive, when you're unpacking them, when you're putting them on shelves. That could be so fun for your clients to watch, and actually can bring new clients to get to know more. Another thing really cool that you could show on the behind the scene of your business is the little or big achievements that you have. For example, registering your company, getting a new degree on the services you offer. Little achievements can really show that you're passionate about what you do and you care about offering more quality. And as properly says, behind the scenes, showing the process of how your product is done, how your service is made, how you come up with new ideas, the whole process of creation and production of what you do is really what we call behind the scenes. If you be creative and fun about it, really show the challenge of it, you know, the messy kitchen if you're a baker, the day you forget the charger of your phone when you need to make a call. These are all fun ways to show the behind the scenes of what you do. Show them the story of your business. You can gather a bunch of old photos or old videos of how everything started. That's really the story behind of what you do or what you offer. Gather some old pictures, old videos. You can also hire a professional to make a video about this. Yes, if you're in the Netherlands, I can help you out. Honestly, you can do it yourself. You can make a carousel, just telling them those steps until you get where you are. Telling stories is the best way to sell on social media. I really hope you like the content from today. As I said, this is still a little bit new for me, but I really hope I can help someone out there with my tips. I hope to see you in the next video, so don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you can get the notification, and I really hope to see you there. Bye!